Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Optimism for network status notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Optimism official website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. If available, select your preferred notification frequency. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up button to submit your information. After submitting, check your email for a verification link from Optimism. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your subscription. You may be redirected to a new page confirming your successful subscription. Log into your account if prompted to do so. Navigate to the Settings section of your account. Here, you can customize your notification preferences. Choose the types of network status notifications you wish to receive. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.